Today is a special day for our Datsun 280Z because it's finally moving to a different location. So in the other body shop it will go through the sandblasting process, so they will remove all the stain and all the other bad things we don't want on our cars. And finally it will go back to this body shop so they can take care about the rust and they can take care about all the weak spots on the body. So another step will be after that to buy parts which cannot be repaired and must be replaced. If the car is going through the sandblasting process, it's not only about the car itself, but also about the spare parts that come with it.
Predná náprava, nádrž, jedny dvere, druhé dvere, predná kapota, zadné veko kufra. A tu sú ešte také drobnosti. To je nádrž, tá krytka na nádrž.
Čiže toto všetko ide cez opieskovanie?
Áno, treba to najprv opieskovať, vyvariť, potom sa to znova opieskuje, pôjde základný nátier, farba a potom lak.
Ináč ten blatník je brutálne veľký. To je
vlastne dvojdielne, toto sa dá dať ešte dole.
I would like to help them with push, but somebody has to operate the camera, so